What's up, everybody? I hope everyone's having a fantastic morning. This is Sunday. This is day 21 on the path to $30,000 a month. So I just wanted to say again, and I try to say it every video, I'm very thankful for all of you that are watching. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm 27 years old. I'm an entrepreneur. I've started these businesses about 3 years ago, and now I am on the path to $30,000 a month. Now, that being said, today is not going to be a long video again, unfortunately, and I'm so sorry because today I'm going to a funeral, and so I will not be home a lot working on my videos. But tomorrow, I promise you, Monday will be a longer video. So you might see, I don't know currently because I have to go home. I'm watching my dogs right now, and then I gotta go home to my place and get work done later. So I'll get a little bit of work done today and then a little bit more later, and then I will break down yesterday's revenue. But I'm sorry for the past two videos, they've been a little short. But Monday is a new day, and I know it's gonna be a lot busier than it is today, and it's Sunday, so it is what it is. But I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching and supporting me and commenting and liking my videos and subscribing. You guys are amazing. So thank you very much. Enjoy the video. Yeah, thank you. All right, so what you see me currently working on is my Amazon listings that were inactive or had gone out of stock, and I decided to transfer them from Amazon FBA to a new selling condition to fulfilled by merchant, so I can sell them through myself until I get the stock back to FBA, because sometimes they go inactive, or some of them were just out of stock, or I completely closed down the listing altogether. So that's what I was working on. And then here I'm creating shorts, so I decided to actually buy the subscription for CapCut, and I was super pumped actually because they have a lot of options to create shorts. So that's what I was doing right here, to gain new followers, for people to see little clips of my videos. So that's what I'm doing. I think I'm going to purchase this phone. I'm not trying to get a new iPhone. I do want to get this iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 for $800. I feel like with doing YouTube, I have an iPhone SE and I'm recording off an iPhone 8. So getting a new iPhone, or at least near a new iPhone, refurbished, whatever. I don't like spending money on iPhones, but for $800 for a 512 gigabyte, gonna be doing a lot of videos. I think it's a good idea, so I may purchase this right now. We'll see. Screw it, I did it. I bought it. Better content on the way, baby. Oh no, what did I do? All right, so pretty stoked. The phone's coming sometime this week. Anyways, breaking down yesterday's income was starting with eBay, $5.34. All right. All right, so due to mug boats coming back in stock, we are at $524.22 on Amazon, so not bad. All right, so total revenue yesterday totaled $529. All right, so this month's total revenue is at $17,305. So if we were on track to $30,000 a month, we would be at $21,000. So we're off, but that's okay. We got our mug boats coming back in stock, and I also have something for day 22 tomorrow to tell you. It's good news and bad news, and I'm trying to figure it out. So I will be talking about that tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed this video for day 21, subscribe down below. I will be putting out another video tomorrow. I am so sorry that this video wasn't long, but this was a crazy weekend. I had a lot going on, so my apologies. But tomorrow will be a longer video, so hope to see you all there. Have a great night.